Question 1. Bees have dash pairs of wings. Correct answer option B 2. Question 2. How many hearts does an octopus have? Correct answer option B 3. Question 3. Which animal are warm-blooded? Correct answer option A birds. Question 4. Which is the fastest of all the birds? Correct answer option A swift. Question 5. Which is the longest snake in the world? Correct answer option D reticulated python. Question 6. Which is the only snake that builds nest? Correct answer option D king cobra. Question 7. What animal has the highest blood pressure? Correct answer option C giraffe. Question 8. What is made up with rhino's horns? Correct answer option C keratin. Question 9. The dolphin is. Correct answer option D mammals. Question 10. Which is the only bird that can fly backwards? Correct answer option D hummingbird.